cinnamon basil, oregano, and sage. Nice. Growing it in the backyard, so we can use fresh herbs when we want to. Here we have some yellow bell pepper right here, still very, very young. And we have some nice tomatoes growing here in the pot. They do really well here. And here we have a very small eggplant. Last year we had a few, about half a dozen, but they were delicious. So we keep growing it on a pot. It's excellent. They just give us something to do. And enjoyment. Fresh veggies once in a while. And on this one here we have cantaloupe and one of my wife's favorite. And some asparagus, very thin and leafy asparagus, but in about a month it'll be nice. And the cantaloupe, hopefully we get one or two. It's fun. And again, the bottle brush tree doing excellent. They love the weather. Beautiful flowers. It's a cloudy day, so might not get too colorful, but it's just nice. I don't know if you can see the pollen on the flower right there.